How to delete your Pionex account. If you'd like to delete your Pionex account, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Pionex tab, and this is the type of interface you'll be able to see. Then what you want to do is tap the account icon, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Then once you tap the account icon from the top left, this is the type of interface that you will see. Then what you have to do is over here you'll find the option called security. We'll go to the option called security, and what we want to do is scroll all the way down, and there you can see the option called delete account. So what we want to do is tap the delete account button. Here you can see all the things that will be deleted when you delete your account, so make sure to read all of this carefully, then tap the confirmation button and your account will be successfully deleted on Pionex. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.